Dimensional Academy of Engineering was established in the year 1999 in the Indian state of Maharashtra, a center of excellence. Dimensional Academy emerged as a global institution of repute, imparting multidisciplinary education to the brand ambassadors of tomorrow. Set your own terms of learning. Study at your own convenience. Global facility, guest lecturers, online tutorials and tests. Feel the difference of study anytime, anywhere education. Self-learning material. The self-learning material provided by the Dimensional Academy is self-explanatory and self-evaluating for a self-based learning experience. Details about the books, its syllabi, e-books, assignments, mock papers and examination details are available online. E-learning. E-learning bridges the gap between distance and classroom learning. Audio, video clips, case studies, quizzes and activities build better understanding on the subject. Learning management system. To ensure rather delivering a focused e-learning content to the students, it maintains a centralized repository of students' preferences and creators to the individual requirements. More question is more practice, good preparation. The Academy's online demand examination use the same structure and pattern followed in the final examination. Multi-entry and multi-exit facility. The degree students from the university worldwide can enter a relevant online distance learning program at Dimensional Academy of Engineering. A current degree student of Dimensional Academy of Engineering can act for a sabbatical after a year in the program while learning a diploma. Multi-entry and multi-exit provision. Offer students to online distance learning programs the advantage of freedom and flexibility. Student placement services. We provide ample opportunities to the students to build their career while studying at Dimensional Academy of Engineering. Campus placements, industrial visits, wide exposure to the students. Online career counseling. Expert career counseling advice at Dimensional Academy of Engineering to nurture your dreams towards progress. We don't just offer career options, we offer a global environment and education system where career and success are simple part of growing up.
Can you be an engineer? Engineering is the ideal field for people with very strong grasp of maths and science and a very analytical mind. Engineering jobs require at least a 4-year degree, usually in engineering. Although in some cases related degrees such as mathematics or physical science, engineers specialize in different fields such as mechanical, civil, electrical, chemical and in process and instrumental. Engineers have some of the highest starting salary in any fields. Because it is such an expensive education, it is required to become an engineer, and in order to focus an engineer's time as much as possible, there are many related support positions. Often, regular engineer is an engineering technology graduate. Another supporting position is an engineering technician. Some related careers include positions like computer-aided drafting, CAD technicians, also known as drafters, who work with the engineers to draw up design and blueprints.
design bridges, roads, tunnels, and dams. They combine the knowledge of material science and engineering, economics, physics, geology, and hydraulics to create the physical infrastructure essential for modern life. Naturally, they specialize in structural design and project management. They use various softwares like TICLA, ETAP, StatPro for the structural design, and project managers use MSPI, Primavera softwares. Civil draftsman specializes in drawing the accurate construction drawing for the design engineers. A bachelor's degree is the minimum educational requirement with 1 year, 6 months diploma in structural design and management. In Dimensional Academy of Engineering, we give structural exposure with live projects. Becoming a civil engineer is a lot of work, but if you like the idea of being part of big complex projects that improves people's life, it could just be the profession for in various industries like oil and gas, pharmaceutical, refineries, automobiles, petrochemicals, and power industry.
Opportunities in oil and gas engineering jobs. The world around us is in a state of flux. The global economy is placed in a very delicate condition where many industries have stood the least of time. The same cannot be said for all. Amongst all this confusion, there are many of us looking at the doom of your professional lives. Many of you who are set to embark on a voyage on a seas of uncertainties and chaos, hoping to land safely someday on the shores of success and happiness. Is there any industry that can give you a short career success? To be successful, you need to be a part of a successful industry that needs you. Take a look at the top paid industries around the world. You can see that the oil and gas industry tops the chart. The world runs on the energy supplied by this industry. The economic growth held by the countries like India and China makes significant growth in the future global energy consumption. According to the latest reports, the energy industry is facing an acute challenge around the globe. Do you have within you the urge to take off this talent? Here is an exciting opportunity with Dimensional Academy to launch a global career in oil and gas industry.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Mechanical engineers known about machines, they design majority of robots and generators, but they specialize in piping design, HVAC design, process equipment and machine tool design. Mechanical engineers will almost certainly involve in its creations. That's because this is the broadest of all engineering disciplines. Some mechanical engineers, for example, do the research needed to create a product. Others design the product themselves, but still others design the machines to make the product. When the product is highly technical, mechanical engineers may even be involved in marketing the products. You need excellent maths and science field, plus the ability to think analytically and to deal with abstract ideas. An act for creative problems solving is also helpful. The mechanical engineer work in a very high-end package in the oil and gas industry, pharmaceutical refinery, automobile, petrochemical, power and energy industry. Are you a mechanical engineer? Join today to make a mechanical world.
childhood, I always like to understand how things work, what parts that put together, and trying to understand basically overall that how they could make it functional.
A successful product requires a well laid out plan. Everything you see was designed by somebody. Drafters prepare technical drawings and plans to build everything for manufactured products, to structures such as houses, office buildings, oil and gas pipelines. The drafting design engineering technology program that prepares individuals to create assembly and detailed drawings based on rough sketch specifications and calculations made by scientists, engineers, architects and designers. Participants are prepared to do the drawing on drafting boards or computer-aided draftings, which has become the industry standard for drafters, engineers and architects. These drawings provide visual guidelines showing the technical details of the products and structures specified, dimensions, materials to be used, procedures and processes to be followed. Graduates of this program can gain job opportunities like aeronautical, architectural, civil, electrical, electronic, mechanical, piping and process drafting, or they can continue their education earning an engineering degree. Earning for drafters vary by specialty and level of responsibility ranging from Rs 8,000 to Rs 20,000. For more information on this, contact Dimensional Academy of Engineering to make a career in drafting.